the video.
Hello.
Yes, gold medal. Hey. Yan, kita yung taal.
Party.
1, 2, 3.
Smile! Smile ka naman!
Yeah!
Tuhod.
I can't hear
Ulo.
Oh my god, bro.
I know you love me, I know you care.
Go Isabel, run! Run! Boom! Stop! Hey! Hey!
Yummy hate. Stop.
So guys, naghihintay na kami yung gamit natin. Settings. We're waiting.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Hi guys. Hi guys. We stopped. This is our second stop. We're gonna have lunch. Hi guys. Hi na kami.
Amen. Nakita mo na yung phone.
Andito.
Hindi naman sila yung food.
Ito yung pagkain. It's buffet guys. So, ano to?
Yung. Hindi ko alam. Parang titignan.
Ito, fish fillet, no?
Fish fillet, tteokbokki, fish cake,
Beef
pork,
bulgogi.
pork and pork.
Pork?
Tas brown and black rice.
Ito ano to? Gulay lang yun, diba?
Gulay lang.
Ito.
Fish.
Ah,
Baby fish.
tas may seaweed.
Yeah.
Wow. Hi guys, say hi to the video. This is Marco.
Yeah.
He taught me this game, bro. What is this game? What is this game?
It's like watermelon game.
Almost like Candy Crush, but fruit.
Yes.
Dropping. This guy's also playing it. Wait. Salvador playing it too. Florencia, say hi. Thomas. Say hi to the video. This guy is Olympic player.
Yeah, it's a tricard.
Well, say hi to the video.
Hello.
What's your name? Introduce yourself to the video.
My name is Vaishnavi.
Nice. So I think we're near Busan. I think we're already in Busan. Let's check Live 360. Oh yeah, we are.
Yes.
We're already done eating lunch. And we're going near Busan. Who's that? Wait. There, Busan's there, guys. So you can see, like, we're almost near it already. Hi, guys. We're here in Busan. Hi, Earl. Wow. Say hi, Earl number 2. Go say hi. Ready ka na ba?
Logi po.
Yes, gold medal! Gold medalist! Gold medalist, let's go!
Plastic.
Sparring gold medalist. Ay, plastic. Hindi, gold yan. Gold medalist.
Gold.
Say hi.
Hi. Shit.
May mga to.
Gold medalist. Gold medalist. Bro, thank you to my family. Shout out to Philippines. Sport Philippines. Fight team, bro. Binigyan kami ng lollipop. Wow. Yan na. Kita sa video. Ikaw naman. Wait lang. Hindi, nagsishake din yung legs eh. Tama. Daming tao.
Tapon mo ah. Sigaw mo nga.
Yun guys, papasok na kami. Lapit na. Okay. Ba't ibang vlogs? Kita nyo ba? Yun na. Usag. Sagudan.
Ayaw mo talaga sa akin, Earl.
노란색은 안 밝게 조심해주세요.
Huwag daw sa may dilaw, ha? Narinig ka, huwag kayo sa mga dilaw.
Ba't may naligaw?
Si may kamukha si Earl. Yung artista sa Bubble.
Didiretso lang pala to, bibilis.
Si ang pangalan. Ella! PDB!
화이팅!
Wow.
Live natin sa fan page natin sa Philippines.
Wow.
Para marami mga...
Sheesh! Tatas. Wow. Ba't sila dalawa lang sila dun sa loob na yun? Wow. Cable car. World Busan. Ano yun? May dolphin dito? What?
Naka-Facebook live. Ayun.
Hi!
To our followers na wala naman dito. Shahin!
Shahin! Ayun o, aesthetic o. Hey!
Ano nyo nga?
Ang dami palang barko dito.
Siyempre, magtaka ka kung aeroplano nandito.
Ang dami kotse.
Kasi marami nakapark na kotse sa dago.
Ay, hindi tayo kita. Locked in sila, locked in.
Yun or paglalakarin tayo dyan bababa tayo kasi every cable car namin ganyan na nangyayari.
You're taking a photo screen. Just stay the yellow line and I'm making a press, please. Hello.
Close.
Please making a Korean heart. Korean heart. 1, 2, 3. Making victory pose. Making victory. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. You can take your feet over the air.
Ba't ganun mo ko? No photos pero pwede video.
Dito na sana sasabihin ko
Ba't tinapitan ko screenshot, no? Okay, so guys, iikutin namin yung part na tong side. Ha? Tong side na to guys. Bababa kami. Cafe Ocean View. Wait. Let's go. Ito yung rooftop, the rooftop view guys. Look at the view guys. Yan, kita yung Taal. Yun yung Taal guys, sa malayo. Taal Volcano. Nasa Baguio kami ngayon.
Music yan!
Ba't walang nakikinig?
Picture kita, kakambal mo yan eh. Picture nga kita dyan.
Ayaw mo? Oh my God! Oo nga!
Yo! Sama! Lagayan ng cellphone guys.
Bakit to?
Girls,
Oh.
9, boys.
Ganyan no?
Pagkakpan yung tagtatatlo.
Yo! Ito yung other side guys. Ano to?
Bendata dito eh.
Ah, ito ba yung... What's this? Gamot? Gamot ba to?
Paano?
Full body or?
Soft lang. Paano po? Paano?
Pose ka lang.
Paano?
Tayo ka lang. Hindi yung straight ha. Basta tayo ka lang. Huwag isa. Tingin ka din dito. Galaw-galaw ka lang.
Ganun ka, lakad-lakad ka, ganun.
Yung kay Eman.
Dali yung lakad-lakad ka, ganun. Galaw ka.
Okay na yun.
Hindi na may number ano.
Mga dami to. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko gets yung meaning. Mga gamot. 2906. 3005. Ano meaning na ito? The Little Prince to, no? Oh, dun kaya tayo sa baba. Ay, closed. Say hi, Jimmy.
You good? Hi to the
Say hi. Oh!
Kasi di maganda masyadong view eh, no?
Taalbolt. Ay, hindi. Masyadong mataas pala yan. Ito yung cable car na pinagsakyan namin. Kala ko ba tayo dun sa pinakababa?
Yan.
Oh. Team Colombia, Peru. Peru, no?
Colombia, Peru, Mexico,
Mix.
Peru.
Mixed team, pero isa lang yan.
Same language.
Spanish. English or Spanish? Ano to? Oh, pwede ka maglagay ng ano, sigarilyo.
Di sigarilyo yan, mga
Joke lang.
letters.
Sigarilyo. Hindi, mga capsule guys. Parang iiwan mo dyan. Sino kasama mo, Eman? Say hello. Say hello.
He's one of the famous bloggers.
No. No. Not famous, bro. Not famous.
Influencer. 56 million followers.
Huh? What? 86.
Likes.
Likes.
2.5 followers. Okay.
Sure.
What do you want to say?
Hello, fighting.
Pwede kaya ako
Magra-roundhouse ka dyan?
I'm gonna roundhouse there. If
Sige,
I can.
tignan natin.
If I can.
Let's see.
Sino yung TikToker? Paano mo hanapin yung kanta na to? Tapos mangungulit-ngulit tayo katulad ng ganyan, no?
Guys, tapos na kami sa air cruise. Pabalik na kami. Thomas, say hi! Just two. Bye-bye!
Okay. Shahid!
Binihit!
Parang
Wow!
Picturean niyo muna kami.
Na, coach.
Tayo ka lang ha. Tayo. Dito sa
Ayaw lang. Tutulong ka namin yun.
Picture na kami sila. Tayo ka lang ha. Okay.
Picture.
Ano ang itsura niya?
Okay. Mamaya na, wait lang.
Bye.
Huwag mo sila.
Alrighty.
Ganyan, tuloy na natin.
1, 2, 3. More. 1, 2, 3.
Ayos.
Ito, sige na.
Okay na, Shahid.
Oh, tayo muna kayong tatlo. Bilis, para may solo picture.
Isa-isa to.
Isa.
Pawak.
Ayan. Sige,
Okay.
sige.
Okay na yun, coach.
Okay.
Dahil sana may maganda. Who's next? Sino
Go.
Who's next?
Si Jack,
Next
si Jack.
in line.
Okay, next.
Meron na ako, sir, kanina.
Pag lalaki, isa lang yung nakuha
Who's
eh,
next?
no? Sila dyan. Ay.
Okay, ready? 1, 2. Okay, upo. Upo na.
Tignan mo,
Eman.
lalaking lalaki.
Tinatawag
oh.
na tayo. Hoy, mga upo kayo. Upo. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh?
Yun, no?
Yun, may papicture. Isa po ulit. Patagilid.
Suot eh. Yan.
Yan, no? Yeah!
Dapat tumingin ka sa kanti.
Oh? Ayan, ah.
Bas.
Gwapo.
Shish!
Igo po.
Shahid naman, Shahid.
Okay.
Smile. Smile, ka naman?
Yeah!
Hindi, 1, 2, 3.
Yan na!
Sabi mo, sabi mo.
Sabi
mo. Dali. Dali, 1, 2, 3. Yung beach nila, man-made, ano?
Man-made.
Which one beach tayo?
Sa Yesu.
Yun!
Swimming ba coach or dadaanan lang?
Swimming.
Wow!
Yan ang gusto ko. Makikita niyo yung mga sexy na ano.
Wala ka! Locked in siya. Hala guys, pabalik na kami.
Devuélveme a mi chica, tu derredor serás entre polvo y pica pica.
Okay, attention please. Second candidate from Philippines, Shahid Kapoor. Okay, ready? Need the mic or no?
Mike.
Okay. Next team is India, Master Amulia team. Okay? Okay. Let's go. Wag na music. Another one?
No. He will sing there.
Sing.
There.
Bulig!
Go. Together.
Tuhod.
Sing with
I can't hear music.
Ulo.
Sing with him together.
Inis.
Difficult.
Iman.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Next candidate.
Okay, next Iman from Philippines. What song?
Sabihin niyo ako.
Sing with him together, okay?
This video.
Okay.
To wishing away, I look at you right now you're in my way. I should have sold it away, pennies and dimes for a bit. I wasn't looking for this, but now you're in my way. Your style was holding, ripped jeans still were showing, hot lines are blowing. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but it's been over. So call me baby, hey, talk to your friend. Happy baby, but here's my number. I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number. So call me maybe, and all the other boys try to chase me, but here's my number. So call me maybe.
Good one.
English conta.
Okay. India team. Where are you? Okay. Amulia, where is your team? Your team. Where is it?
Oh my god, bro.
让我能治愈我的只有你能给予，我们就 就别再分离。在一起，我们之间有太多的回忆，爱上哪里没什么道理，只是刚好情动出太遇到你。不希望我的未来不是你，只愿意和你永远不分离。趁我还没有弱爆自己，趁你还愿意。
Very good, very good.
Okay, ready? Ready? What is your name? Misha Pu? Misha. Give applause for Misha, okay? Romantic song? A romantic song?
Guys, next natin is a park. Park! Danube train? Train to Busan. Wow. So cold.
Party ko naman.
I think. Uy! Uphill to eh. So guys, we're gonna walk uphill. Look. Oh, go Isabel, run! Run! We've been walking uphill, guys. Look how far. Support, support, support. No more railing.
Jasmine! Support mo talaga.
Hilain.
Ay, may train!
Ayun yung train.
Train from...
Takbo na daw, pre. Sasagay kami ng train, guys. By 2 daw, by 2. Train in Busan.
여기 두 분 아니시고요?
Go, 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 go.
Okay.
Yeah. We're moving na, guys. So,
bukas window.
we're moving na, guys. I think magbababa kami mamaya. Hanap lang namin. Hanap pa dito. Yo! Ay, wala na. Lalaki ng pusa dito. Yo! So fat, bro.
Let's go. Shahid. His name not Shahid?
Yeah.
Shahid. Shahid ka.
Favorite? Lamig dito, guys. Hindi ko mainitan kahit ano na. 4 p.m.
Ayoko na.
Wow. Hello.
Ay, Rory!
Say hi.
Hi. How to say hi? What is Philippine?
Oh, what's hi in Philippine?
Just hi?
Yeah.
Just hi.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hi. Good.
Oh, look at that aesthetic, bro.
I want to swim there.
Let's jump.
No, not from
One.
here. You jump from here, you don't go back to Philippines.
What oh nga, ano yun? What is it? What's that?
Whale sperm.
So cute! Ang taba niya. Mayain. Bye-bye. Ay, doon naman siya sa kabila.
Dado. Wala, gusto niya ako. Gusto siya
La.
kainin ng kitchen.
Uy, loaf check, loaf check. Go, go, go.
Look here. So what's her name? Or what's his name?
Ampunan niyo na, sir.
Gusto yung uwi ni Isabel. Sabi ko, siya mag-alaga. Basta yun.
Ya te viene todo casi. O sea, al lado de eso soy yo. Tocó más de veces.
Uy, may gym, oh.
My reaction, my reaction.
Uy, may moon, oh. Paano yung reaction?
Ano ba?
Ay, mo record.
Me. Wait. Give me.
Bye-bye. Nakatawa siya.
Ikaw ano ko. Dito ko. Diba? Go. Gami, hey.
Stop. Uy, may tao. Stop. Guess pussy yet. No.
Ano?
Pa lang sa'yo, no? Ha? May 10k ako sa'yo.
Wow, 10k pesos or one? Boom, tak. Hey. Pasok ka na dyan. Bye guys.